That's the headlight. And that's this one. That one's pretty decent. Maybe just a little polish over it. This one's bad, so try sand it with 800, see how that comes out. Might have to go a little lower, 400 or something. 4, 6, 8, 12, 15, and then polish it with like 3000 grit. Yeah, I'll try this 800 and see if I can just work from that. I prefer doing that instead of trying to take too much away. And I've got this spray you can spray over it as well to protect it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine.
Alright, I've just polished that one up. I give that one a little tickle, 3000 grit, and then polished it. That one I went down to 800 because I didn't have anything lower. Ideally could have went to like 400 though. I've sprayed it with something so it will look a bit misty for a minute until it dries up. But then once it's dried, it's sound. Looks pretty decent though, looks way better. And then this is this one I just tickled with a 3000 the polish. I didn't spray that one up. It does look quite misty on that side, but it's just that spray I've put over it. Yeah, let's maybe have a look at the bumper now. Yeah, further inspection, it's cracked here, along there. Cracked here, there, see along here. All the way along here as well. And around here. There, here, there. And there. I mean, I could probably actually fix it, but it's a lot of work, so it's probably not worth it, unfortunately. You know, if it was just 1 or 2 cracks, it'd be alright. But it's quite a mess around here. It's fully detached, do you know what I mean? So I think I'm just gonna leave that one actually. Yeah, it's only been like 5 minutes, but it's already looking clearer, which is nice. Just sat in the sun baking. Obviously that one's gonna look better, but yeah, quick polish of the headlights, nice. Now I just need to look at how much it's going to cost to paint this. And if it's worth removing all the trim or not. Or taking the bumper off completely and giving it to them like that. Or just sending the whole car down. Just going to give the wheels a clean up, see how they come up. That one looks pretty decent. A couple curb bashes on it, but just wet that one like, but I give the car a good wash yesterday. Did the wheels, obviously, then I ended up just washing the whole thing. Wheels look alright. Paul likes to eat the curbs, mine, but that's fine. A lot of swells in the paint though. Do with a good polish. It looks a lot brighter now after the wash. Bought some paint for the front, some rattle cans, so I might give that a go. You can see this didn't come out the best actually. It's obviously a lot better, but there's some weird stuff going on inside of it, I think maybe. I don't know, maybe I need to try give it another go. Might do that again. With some like 400 grit, because I started on 800, so maybe I need to go to like 400. It's still better though, it's not yellow anymore, but it's got some weird like hairs in. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. Alright, I'm going to start sanding all this from bumper down and taping it all up. Get ready for need to prime up a couple of spots, but most of it's primed, so then tape it all up and then just paint it red. Hopefully it comes out nice. So I'll put you on a little time lapse and you can watch. I'm just going to start with some 800 grit and just sand it all down. Then I'm just going to scuff it up with a Brill pad thing, whatever it's called, afterwards. Just want to get these marks a bit down a bit. And then obviously I'll dry it all off, tape it all off, prime up some little spots that need doing, Just paint the whole thing.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
Right, got that all sanded and cleaned and stuff. I've got it all taped off. I think I did a pretty decent job of it. So I need to put a bit of tape there, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna get the paint can and just start going crazy with it. Alright, wish me luck. I've got a tack cloth actually, I might tack it down first.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Alright, I've spread it up. It's looking a bit of a different colour like, which is fun. Probably looks even worse on camera. Even though it was apparently the right colour, they've clearly mixed it wrong or something. So that's fun. But it is all red. Looks pretty decent to be fair. I don't see like any runs in it. There's a little bit of water down here. That's like the worst of it. I think, yeah, that's water as well. Some water spots, but apart from that, pretty neat looking, I think. So I'll wait for this to dry, try and fix these water bits, and then I can't remember if you need to sand it or not. I'll have a little Google, see if I should sand it or not, and I'll lacquer it. But I'm not taking the tape off because it's a mission putting that on and off. But yeah, let's wait for that to dry and then fix up these little watermarks, and then I'll lacquer it. And the colour's definitely going to be off, but I don't know. Hopefully it looks alright. Hopefully it's not too noticeable. Alright, I've applied like 3 or 4 coats of lacquer. I want it quite thick so I could sand out any imperfections and polish it up. I think it's just 1K of lacquer though, because 2K you got that little thing on the bottom, so that's what I got sent out. It looks pretty decent. There's a little bit there that I tried to fix up before I did the clear, but it's not the best. And then a little bit down here. Apart from that, it's not bad. Paint is definitely a different colour though, but I reckon with the sand afterwards and a polish, it should come out quite nice. It's a shame it's going to be a different colour in it. Hopefully it's not too bad once it all dries. So I'll clean up here then. Hopefully it'll be dry in like 20-30 minutes and then unpeel it all and we'll see what it looks like. Right, I've removed all the masking tape. It's dry to the touch. It's only been like half an hour or something, but you can definitely see that's a different colour. Just a bit of a shame because I don't think it's that bad. It was the right colour. Masking's not too bad. A masking job. You see a little bit of mess up there, but obviously if you wanted like perfection, I should have removed the bumper and removed all the plastics out of it and done it separately, but I didn't really have anywhere to put it. I didn't want to get damaged taking it on and off when I just painted it, so I thought it'd just be better just to do it like this. But if I wanted perfection, I would have done that. But it's not too bad. Obviously, you still need to polish and little sand. You can see like the orange peel and stuff, but what do you expect for a rattle can? It's a shame the colour, man. I mean, it doesn't look too bad between here. This looks more like a pale or red, and I definitely bought the right paint code for this car, so I might have to message the guy and see what happened there. Nothing I can do now though. Yeah, I must have tickled that corner with the tape there. But overall, pretty good. I'm quite happy with it, to be honest with you. But obviously, apart from the colour being wrong. Alright, I tried polishing down here. It didn't really go very well. It made it look a bit worse, to be honest with you, so I thought I'd just leave it. It's still shiny, like you can still see the reflection very nice. So I don't think it really warrants it. It probably just needs a heavy sanding then and polish, but I think it'll be fine. Let me know what you guys think, but I put them little bottom piece back on. I just need to stick my number plate on. Get some tape for that. But yeah, it looks decent. Needs a good wash. I did, however, mess with the lacquer on here. I didn't go crazy, but I have resprayed it. I sanded it a little bit and sprayed it. It's shiny now. Obviously you can see that, but it looks better than it did before. And the same down the side here. It's all got lacquered now. Lacquered along here. And down here. Made it just look a bit better. It's not perfect, obviously, but I think I might actually polish this again. I need to wash it. I just basically sanded it, lacquered it, then polished it. It does need a little more polish on this side. I will do that. Yeah, the only other thing is obviously that rear bumper is not the best, so I need to mess about with that a little bit. I'm quite happy with it. And I messed out with that light again. Lacquered it and polished it again. So it looks better. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make